另外还有嘞。
Turkeys take the pre-meal business quite seriously. A little cardio before the feast won't hurt, right? Every squad has that classy one, got her own vibe, and a total hit with the guys. Someone needs to get him a sponsorship deal ASAP. He's definitely the new face of speed.
This man just chilling here. We're going down the road. Me and my little goose.
Thank you for coming.
Being a behavior expert is great, but remember, take a break from all that bowing. It's crucial too.
Okay, how many times are we gonna do this?
Girls are like swans. First, a bit of behind-the-scenes magic, then bam, dazzling beauty for all. Just do your thing in front of your crush, not hers. Basketball's not your game anyway.
I'm the one who picked this wallpaper, that bed, that...
Cheering up your girl after a fight isn't a walk in the park. Seeds might help, buddy.
I'm still here. No.
Well, we could say this is one way to give a whole new meaning to chicken drumsticks. No magic is required to sway these friends, just a tasty bribe that's big enough to do the trick. This is how the Bird Street Gang rolls, reminding everyone that they rule the road. Those who eat too much tend to end up with stories to tell. You shouldn't let food cloud your judgment. For certain critters, a throne is not necessarily a chair. It's more about style and attitude. Seriously. An avian party at a human dinner, wondering those feathered friends will manage with utensils to get a taste. When you're having a winged wrestling match with Mother Nature and she's not giving up without a gusty fight. I've seen this movie before, guys. It ends with me staying unchewed. You know you're in a classy neighborhood when even the animals have their own beak spa services. It's swimsuit season, so he's gotta tone his legs. Who needs a regular alarm when you've got a pair with his own hit single? I'm the table's backup percussionist, just in case it needs some extra flair. If you're into hardcore head massages, a spa with feathered staff and beaks is where it's at. Sounds like your cockatoo had a wilder night out than you did. Move over, Messi. The chickens are here to show us some real skills on the field. That shovel would probably go, I didn't sign up for this amusement park ride, man. I just want to dig. This goose should audition for the next Fast and Furious movie. He's got the moves, thanks to one epic honk.
Where'd he go? Is he on your side?
Getting roasted by the sun and seeing your mirror self is a brutal wake-up call, especially for the ladies.
我头一次见哈，头一次见这个叫杀鸡给镜子斗的，还倒。
Lunchtime with Swan's chef is always a flipping good time as he serves up more grub than humans. To be a leader, stand where few dare to, both figuratively and literally. Consider me your personal toothpick, Mr. Dogo. I don't ask for much.
他踢他的牙。
The sidewalk is now a feathered fight club, folks. Time for you to place your bets.
Cookie, cookie.
When one word turns your parrot into a hip-hop DJ, you know it's time to start a band. High five, human. Oops, I mean high head. I'm just spreading some quirky love to your day. Why spend on concert tickets when you've got a homegrown beatbox champ right under your roof? So save your cash. He's taking his own watching thing to a whole new level.
So nasty.
These procrastinating duo are nudging each other to step up. Wonder when words turn into actions. Since you're the big bro, make sure to show your little bro the ropes, like honking a car. Keeping your bod clean ain't rocket science. Just hop in the shower like 10 times a day. Easy peasy. Looks like the road just had a ducked up makeover. YouTube video is slow to load, so your singer's stepping up with his entertaining show. I may not have fancy tail, but I've got spirit. This bud's all about the mystery. You can never predict his next move. In any crew, there's always that one girl strutting like a runway model on a mission.
Hey, we're gonna put you down. Right? We're gonna put you down. Here. Over here. Where's your button? Where's your reset button? Let's switch it. I got it. Are you good now? Is it all done? Do you feel better?
I heard the call of to-do-do-do-do destiny. I gotta go. Thanks for watching.